Hey guys, Dalton here. If you're a web designer, you know that your success depends on two things, your skill and your toolkit. Having the right resources bookmarked can be the difference between a good design and a truly great one. It can save you hours of work, spark incredible new ideas, and keep you on the cutting edge of design trends. Today, I've curated my ultimate list of the absolute best web design resources that you need to know about. We're covering everything from AI-powered builders and inspiration galleries to typography tools and asset libraries. So grab a coffee, open up your bookmarks tab, and let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the AI revolution that's changing the way we design. Dora AI is at the forefront of this wave. This platform is nothing short of magic. You can essentially generate a complete multi-section website just by feeding it a simple text prompt. For instance, you could type a website for an observatory featuring photos of galaxies and space, and Dora will generate a stunning editable design for you. Once it's created, you're not stuck with the static image. You get a fully editable canvas with layers, text, and images all laid out beautifully. It feels a lot like working with Figma, with the ability to add elements, manage a database, and fine-tune every aspect of the design. Next, if you need to go from idea to wireframe in record time, you need to check out Reloom. This tool is an absolute game changer for anyone who works with Figma or Webflow. You can describe your project, say a gaming company that sells RPG games. Specify the number of pages you need, and Reloom will instantly generate a complete sitemap and wireframe for you. It intelligently builds out all the essential sections like the hero, features, benefits, CTA, and FAQ. What's truly amazing is with their Figma plugin, you can literally copy the entire wireframe and paste it directly into your Figma file. From there, all you need to do is apply your branding, colors, and content. It's an unbelievable accelerator for the initial phase of any project. Now, building on that idea of speed and efficiency, let's move on to component libraries. An excellent alternative to Reloom, especially for grabbing individual components, is TileBit. It might have a more limited library, but the components they offer are high quality and super easy to use. It's designed to work seamlessly with Webflow and Framer. If you see a header or a feature section you love, you can simply click to copy it and paste it directly into your design tool like Figma. It's an incredibly fast way to build out pages using pre-made, professionally designed blocks that you can then customize to your heart's content. Furthermore, if you're looking for a more extensive library, Flowbase is a must-see. It's a massive repository of components built for Webflow, Figma, and Framer. They have a fantastic selection of freebies, so you can get a ton of value without paying a dime. The workflow is just as simple as TileBit. Browse the components, filter by your preferred tool, find something you like, say a pricing table or a testimonial slider, and copy it over to your project. It's a fantastic resource for both new designers looking for building blocks and seasoned pros who want to speed up their workflow. Of course, before you can build, you need inspiration. My absolute favorite site for web and landing page inspiration is Lambook. The way they categorize everything is brilliant. If you're working on a portfolio, you could just click the portfolio tag and see hundreds of amazing examples. The best feature, though, is the ability to browse by color. If you click on a specific color from the site's palette, Lambook will show you other websites that use a similar shade. It's an incredibly powerful tool for building mood boards and exploring different visual directions. Next up, for those who work more in the tech and SaaS space, you have to bookmark Godly Website. This gallery is laser focused on beautifully designed sites for SaaS products, AI tools, and Web3 projects. The filtering system is top-notch, allowing you to search for specific styles like dark mode, big background, or gradient. You can click on any site to see a full-page screenshot or click visit to experience the live site for yourself. It's an endless source of modern, innovative design patterns. In that same vein, if you're a fan of dark mode, then DarkDoes is the niche gallery for you. This site is exclusively dedicated to showcasing the best dark-themed websites on the web. These aren't just simple black background sites. They are often incredibly modern, using rich blacks, dark grays, and vibrant accent colors to create a sophisticated and immersive experience. The site also conveniently lists the framework and CMS used for each project, which is a nice touch for developers. Finally, for app designers, Mobin is an indispensable resource. It's a massive library of screenshots from thousands of real-world mobile apps from the biggest brands. You can explore entire user flows from onboarding sequences to checkout processes. Instead of trying to reinvent the wheel, you can see how companies like Burger King or Spotify have solved common UX challenges. It's a perfect tool for research and for ensuring your app's design is intuitive and user-friendly. Sometimes all you need is that one perfect background to tie a design together. For that, I love Mesh Gradients. It's a dead simple free resource that offers a beautiful collection of downloadable mesh gradients. You can browse through dozens of color combinations, find one you love, and download it as a high-quality image file. It's perfect for adding a touch of modern color and texture to your website in just a few clicks. Another fantastic general inspiration site is Inspo Vault. It's a beautifully curated gallery of websites with a clean interface that let you scroll through full-page designs. You can also bookmark your favorites to create personal collections of ideas, making it a great place to return to whenever you're feeling stuck creatively. For more specific inspiration, there's Navbar Gallery. As the name suggests, the site focuses exclusively on one of the most critical components of any website, the navigation bar. You can filter by features like search bar or drop-down menu to see how different sites handle complex navigation. It's an incredibly useful resource when you're designing a site with a lot of pages and need to ensure that the experience is flawless. And if your design calls for illustrations or 3D assets, Storytale is a wonderful place to look. They have a huge library of high-quality graphics, and their freebies section is packed with amazing assets, including backgrounds, icons, mockups, and 3D objects. Whether you're looking for hand-drawn scribbles or polished 3D characters, you're likely to find something that fits your project style. Now, let's get into the tools that help with the technical side of design. First, the Contrast Checker. This is a non-negotiable tool for creating accessible websites. It allows you to input your foreground text color and background color to see if they meet WCAG accessibility standards. It will tell you if your contrast ratio passes or fails both normal and large text. Using a tool like this ensures that your designs are readable and usable for everyone, including people with visual impairments. Next, every great design system is built on a solid typographic foundation. Typescale.com is the perfect tool for creating that foundation. It allows you to choose a base font size and a musical-inspired scale like major third, and it will automatically generate a harmonious set of font sizes for all your headings, H1, H2, H3, etc., and paragraph text. You can adjust the settings, preview the scale, and get all the pixel or REM values you need to build a consistent and professional design system. In addition, a strong color palette is just as important. Colors by Eva Design is an amazing tool that helps you generate a full color system from a single primary color. It even shows you a dark mode version and allows you to export the entire palette as a JPEG or CSS file. It takes all the guesswork out of creating a versatile and accessible color system. We all know footers are an afterthought in the design process, but they shouldn't be. Footer.design is a gallery dedicated to showcasing beautiful and creative website footers. You can filter by styles like topographic, illustrative, or grid to find unique ideas that can turn a boring footer into a memorable final touch for your website. When it comes to imagery, sometimes you're stuck with a low-resolution photo. That's where Magnific AI comes in. This incredible tool uses AI to upscale and enhance your images. You can upload a small pixelated image and Magnific will intelligently add detail and increase the resolution, giving you a much sharper, high-quality result. It's perfect for breathing new life into old photos or improving the quality of AI-generated art. Plus, once you have your beautiful, high-resolution images, you need to optimize them for the web. Squash app is my go-to tool for this. It's a super fast and effective image compressor. You can drag and drop a large image file, say 8 megabytes, and Squash will reduce the size by over 90% while retaining incredible quality. This is absolutely essential for ensuring your websites load quickly, which is crucial for both user experience and SEO. If you're still hungry for more inspiration, startupwebsites.co is another fantastic gallery. As the name implies, it focuses on showcasing beautifully designed websites from the startup world, giving you a great look at current trends in tech and product design. Similarly, if your personal style leans more towards clean and simple, then Minimal.gallery is for you. This site is a curated collection of stunningly minimalist websites. It proves that you don't need clutter or complexity to create a powerful and effective design. And of course, for even more dark mode ideas, darkmodedesign.com is another excellent resource. Its massive gallery of sites that masterfully use dark color palettes. Between this and DarkDoes, you will have an endless supply of inspiration for your next dark-themed project. Have you ever been on a website and wondered, what font is that? Font Ninja is the tool that will answer that question for you. It's a Chrome extension that lets you inspect the fonts of any website. Simply activate it, hover your mouse over any text, and it will tell you the font name, size, and color, even the line height. It's an essential tool for research and learning. For more contextual inspiration, check out Fonts in the Wild. This site showcases snippets and screenshots of fonts being used in real-world designs. It tells you the name of the font and where you can get it, giving you a much better feel of how a typeface will look in practice. When you need clean, modern icons, Hero Icons is a fantastic choice. It's a set of beautiful, free SVG icons made by the creators of Tailwind CSS. You can easily copy the SVG code for any icon and paste it directly into your project. For high-quality illustrations, Drawkit is a great place to look. They offer a mix of 2D and 3D illustrations, icons, and animations. While many of their kits are premium, the quality is exceptional and can add a huge amount of personality to your designs. Next, Icon Scout is a massive all-in-one marketplace for design assets. They have millions of vector icons, illustrations, and 3D graphics. They offer a ton of free assets, making it a great resource for any project, big or small. Finally, one of my favorite illustration resources is Blush Design. What makes Blush so special is that their illustrations are customizable. You can take a character or a scene and change the color, hairstyles, and accessories to perfectly match your brand's style. It's an incredibly powerful way to create unique illustrations without having to draw them yourself. And last but not least, remember that great design does not stop at the website. Email Love is a gallery dedicated to beautifully designed emails. You can browse by category like SaaS or e-commerce to see how top brands are designing their newsletters and promotional emails. It's a fantastic resource for anyone who also handles email marketing for their clients. So there you have it, my ultimate list of web design resources that will help you level up your skills and streamline your workflow. I truly hope this was helpful. Go ahead and bookmark your favorites. Let me know in the comments below if this was useful and share any of your own favorite resources that I might have missed. And if you want more content like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.